1571, and that was when the conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi sailed into Manila Bay and established Intramuros, and he came in one of those galleons over there.
Set the timer. 1 minute starts now. Jose Protasio Rizal was a Filipino-Chinese born in Calamba, Laguna. He went to Ateneo de Manila University and Heidelberg University over in Germany. And he became very much aware of the abuses of the friars in the Philippines, the apathy of the King of Spain, and the general condition of the Filipino people. And that inspired him to write 2 novels in the style of Victor Hugo's Les Miserables. And those 2 novels were, in English, that means don't touch. And which in English is the loud noisy guy over there. This is Fort Santiago. It's so small, no? Well, it's really that small because it was built relative to the size of Manila back then. Back then, when they first started, they had 10,000 people. At the height of the Spanish colonial government in 1898, we were a whopping 15,000 people. The reason why he was in town was because of a little thing called the Treaty of Paris. Oh, educado crowd. C. Dick and Jane. C. Dick and Jane play. C. Dick and Jane play in the snow. C. Dick and Jane play in the snow while they wait for Santa Claus. Oh, a saint. This is a beautiful aerial shot of the city of Manila. Over the other side of the river is where we are, in Intramuros. Over in the foreground is a beautiful, devastating American bomb. He had been, after all, in the Philippines for a long time. He was in charge of the United States Armed Forces in the Far East, and he was preparing the country for the inevitable onslaught of the Japanese Imperial Army. Decided to do the last bit of the tour here instead of in the parking lot of San Agustin because there was a mass going on. It would have been a little bit of a distraction. It would have been hard to compete using my natural voice against a woman singing Spanish is a Chinese lion. And it's only then that you realize that once again, we have taken so many things from different cultures and then put them all together and made it our own. Because if you take out all the bugnoloy, the Greek pillars that support nothing, the Chinese lions right there, all the French, Italian-esque trompe l'oeil all on the ceilings, you basically have San Agustin Church as a back.